He's about to.
One AA is the best level.
What is that? Oh, it's not. It's the worst level.
Let me go to the
No, it's not. It has SCP-056.
Oh.
What's up? Where's everybody?
Guess who's going to get touched?
I'm a trash
Cars!
chicken stars. He's not coming. I'm gonna give him a kiss. Where is he?
I see.
Leave me
Wait! Yo, better stick my light beam up your ass!
31 and purple plate for your burrito torpedo.
He stopped.
Hey! Come over here, Daddy! Oh, Daddy! Come on,
Quickly.
My God! Give you a kiss!
He's so slow. Oh,
Now they clapping in there!
Go to the back rooms!
The back room. Get up here.
Guys, we're in the back rooms.
It's in there.
Guys, go inside the back rooms. Go inside the back rooms.
This way. In here.
run.
To the right. In here.
Let's explore the back rooms.
Follow me.
Guys,
We explore the back rooms. Alright, everyone, get in the back room. Burrito torpedo.
come here, Daddy. I want to give you a
Stop chasing the kids. Stop chasing.
Grandpa good? Grandpa good? He tries to get out. No, guys. Guys, is Grandpa good? Guys, last Christmas, I gave you my key. Did Grandpa get his... Follow the line.
Is Grandpa good?
Guys, the bathrooms is our safe spot.
Sure.
Now that we have the knife, we can murder Grandpa.
Are they all good?
I go in the safe spot.
Guys,
the bathroom.
Go back. Wait.
Yeah, Jerry.
Backrooms is our safe place. Backrooms. Come on, backrooms. Backrooms. Go backrooms.
Imagine if we can go in bathrooms.
This way.
Bring it down here.
He's stuck.
McDonald's, come down. Grandpa, stop doing it.
Let's explore the backrooms.
This way. There's a secret this way. There's a secret this way. I swear to God, there's a secret this way. Come.
I got 18.
Everyone's in backrooms. Everyone's in backrooms.
Nobody is in back room.
Everyone's in backrooms.
You liar. Nobody is in back room.
Backrooms with him.
Nobody is in
Let's explore the backrooms. Guys,
Safe room.
Sorry, Grandpa, this is the kid's bathroom.
What? He's trying to get us out of here. He's trying to get us out of here.
Let's explore the backrooms.
Guys, let's go explore.
He's not here, guys. He's not here.
Let's go explore.
He's downstairs.
We're going to explore the backrooms.
Downstairs.
Go
How did he go downstairs?
Guys, let's go explore.
I'm gonna touch you
Go
over
over
here.
here.
Donkey Kong.
You're gonna touch who?
Daddy on
This
that.
way, Rad.
Who are you gonna touch, boy?
I'm coming.
What is?
I've never been here before. This is backrooms level
Go.
0.
I never explored before.
Jump down to here.
I
Is
don't
this
know
level
what's
0?
down there.
Shut up!
Is this level
I'm
0?
going this way.
Now I'm going back to Grandpa.
Unc, calm down.
Where are we supposed to be going right now?
That's the Grandpa? Gramps didn't look that happy.
Okay.
Gramps didn't look that happy.
Bring us downstairs.
Nothing's there.
Bring Mr. Hangman to the downstairs.
I beg your pardon.
Eclipse?
There's nothing over here.
Guys, let's call him Mr. Game and Watch.
There's nothing back there.
Yes, call him Mr. Game Grandpa.
Let's just call him Mr. Dingaling.
Nah, Mr. Game and Watch sounds better.
We're Grandpa.
Dude, what the
Mr. Orangutan.
Everything is drunk again.
Mr. Orangutan.
Run! Guys, I'm so sorry.
No,
He went downstairs.
Don't touch
molested.
I see it in the video.
He was molested as a baby boy. Look up his head.
Oh my god. Ah.